where success meets psychology in Paulina's way. Strengthen your mindset every week. Success story every Wednesday. Traders who broke through their limits. Psychology session every Friday. Join now. Hit the bell. One session could change your trading forever. FundingPips. Built by traders for traders.
Welcome back, traders, to another Wednesday success story where we highlight traders who turned discipline, sacrifice, and resilience into results at FundingPips. Today's story is another special story. It's the story of a trader who started with a simple Google search and ended up building a completely different life for himself. This is a story of Omar Janati, a 21-year-old biomedical engineering student from Morocco who has earned 16,000 in rewards with FundingPips, and he did it just in 3 months. Omar discovered trading the way many young traders do. He literally typed into Google how to make money online. What he didn't expect was that this search would change the direction of his entire life. But the beginning, of course, wasn't smooth. The first and second years of trading were the hardest. No results, a lot of confusion and a lot of emotions. But he stayed and persisted because deep down, he saw the potential. And he still remembers that moment of his first profitable trade. He said it was the best feeling in the world because for the first time, he realized trading can change his life around. But not everyone believed in him. Here's how Omar puts it. My family did not believe in online work. People doubted me all the time. So I decided to work in silence. No validation, no support, just him, his charts, and a dream. And that silence became Omar's superpower. Most people say they want to become a trader, but very few are willing to sacrifice for it. Omar did exactly that. For 3 years, he reduced his sleep every night to backtest. That was his routine. That was his commitment to himself. That was the price he had to pay to be who he is today. Trading didn't take his time. He gave it to trading voluntarily. Omar struggled most with emotions, with overtrading, with forcing his setups and increasing his risk after losses, which is probably what most of you are also struggling with at the moment. But Omar focused on that, and one day he simplified everything. He stuck to one strategy: strict risk management, patience, and he followed the plan and nothing else. Those were the 4 key things. And this is what Omar says: I don't chase the market. I follow my plan. I respect my risk. I'm disciplined on every single trade. That was the moment consistency arrived. With FundingPips, Omar earned 16,000 in rewards, proving to himself that his discipline works. His strategy works, his patience works, and his mindset works too. And the moment he received his major reward, he reinvested 90% of it into more master accounts and only used 10% for himself. That's not luck, that's discipline. People always ask Omar, did you ever think about giving up? His answer is always the same: never. Because trading is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Results don't come in the first year. They come after 2 to 3 years of sacrifice. This mindset is what separates traders who quit from traders who grow. Today, Omar has multiple master accounts. He has earned 16,000 in rewards. He trades intraday, mostly gold, manages risk like a professional, mentors other traders, travels the world whenever he wants, something that was once just a dream. And he did it all whilst he was a full-time engineering student. Omar leaves you with the message: Don't chase money. If you do, you lose everything. Trust the process and don't be greedy. It's simple, pure, and true. Omar's journey is a reminder that trading success is built in silence, with discipline and sacrifice. There are no shortcuts. It's built in the nights no one sees, the hours nobody celebrates, and the decisions no one will understand at times. To Omar, congratulations on everything you've achieved so far. Your journey is just the beginning, and we are proud of traders like you at FundingPips community. To everyone watching, you could be our next success story. And I would like you to comment below and tell us, how long have you been with FundingPips and how has it impacted your life as well? You'll automatically enter this week's giveaway by leaving that comment. Guys, this is FundingPips, where discipline becomes confidence, where rewards reflect resilience, and where stories like Omar's inspire millions. See you next Wednesday, traders.
Where success meets psychology in Paulina's way. Strengthen your mindset every week. Success story every Wednesday. Traders who broke through their limits. Psychology session every Friday. Join now. Hit the bell. One session could change your trading forever. FundingPips. Built by traders for traders.